Hey, what's up guys, in this video we're going to talk about template in C++ programming. Templates are used to create generic programs that can work with different data types. So with the use of template we can create generic program and the program can work with different data types. And the use of template can improve the code reusability and the flexibility of the program. And there are two types of template. We can have either the function template or we can have the class template. So first we are going to talk about the function template. So unlike normal function, a function template can work with different data types. Like an example, one function can only take one specific data type, and if we want that function to work with different data type, then we have to overload that function with different data types. And whenever we use overloading in our program, we have to write lot more code and the whole program is harder to manage. So we can perform the same task where one function can work with so many different data type with the help of template. So we create one template with one generic type and then we can use that generic type inside our program. And once we have created the template, then we can pass different data types to that function as parameter, and this way we have to write less code in our program and the program will be a lot more easier to manage. So in this example program we are going to create one function template which can work with so many different data types. So to create one template, first we have the template keyword and then inside the angular bracket we can write either the class keyword and then the generic type t, or we can also use the type name keyword. In both of the cases we can create one generic type t in our program. And then so we're going to create one function. So first we have the void add. Now we want that function to work with so many different data types. So instead of writing one specific hard-coded data type, we can use that generic type t. So we're gonna write generic type t a and generic type t b. So the function add will take to generic type parameter a and b, and the add function will print addition is, and it will print the addition of the parameter a and b. And now we're going to create the main method int main, and inside the main we're going to call the add function, and I can pass either the integer or also we can pass the float value like 2.5 and 3.5, and then we have the return 0. So because we have created one template with the generic type t, now the add function can work with so many different data type. So whenever we pass integer parameter to that function, then the compiler will generate one add function which can take integer data type, and whenever we pass the float value to that function, then the compiler will generate that add function which can take float data type as a parameter. So this way we can use the template in our program which can work with so many different data types. So I'm gonna save the program and I'm gonna run the program, and you can see the output addition is 3 and addition is 6. So this way we can create one template in our program with one generic type, and instead of writing any specific hard-coded type we can use that generic type in the function definition. Now the single function definition can work with so many different data types. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.